In this video, I will show you how to access articles that are protected from access. For instance, you can consider different articles. Here you can see this article. For instance, you can be able to access the PDF format. To access the PDF format, you need just to click on this article, on that PDF, view PDF, and then the PDF format will be displayed. You can see the PDF article or the PDF format of the article has been displayed. In some other cases, you may not be able to access the article. You either access through your organization, maybe your institution, or to purchase the PDF. But of course, many researchers does not have this access, and they does not want to purchase. So what they do is that to access such an article, you come to this site. It is called SciHub. It is called scihub.se. So what you do is that you copy the title of the article, you come and paste it here, and then you click open. And then if that article is found in the SciHub database, then the PDF format of that article will be opened, and you can see the article has been opened. Therefore, you can read. You can also actually download. You can see this icon here. You can click on that download icon, and then your article will be downloaded and saved in your computer. Let's try another article. You can see this article. You are either supposed to access it through your organization or institution, or you purchase the PDF. So what you do is that you copy this title of the article, you come and paste it on SciHub, and then the PDF format of the article is displayed. You can download the article, or you can also print the article. So that is how you access protected articles. Thank you.